In the last video, I've shown you how to select high-converting offers inside Warrior Plus. In this video, we'll dig deeper into the process of selecting high-converting offers inside Warrior Plus. Plus, I want to show you a simple way of getting approved by a product vendor even if you're a complete newbie. This is because Product Creator have the ability to check an affiliate's credentials, and thus they might just rely on your new stats when deciding whether to allow you to promote for them or not. So I'm teaching you how to overcome these particular dilemmas in this video as well. First, let's go back to warriorplus.com. Click on Affiliates and then Offers on this page. On this page, you'll see the latest affiliate offers inside Warrior Plus. On the right side of the page, you can see the number of sales that I've gotten to the products I've promoted. On the other hand, these notification signs that you see are for new offers that just launched. When you visit the page, you can see all these different details like product vendor, launch date, sales conversion rate, etc. Now we have to look at two important things. Number one, take your cursor over here where you can see the red oval with dollar signs. These are the top 1% vendors. You can also see gold ovals with dollar signs. These are the top 5% vendors. This means these vendors are really making big sales and they should be on top of your list. Number two, check how many sales they've got. If they have 500 plus sales, it is converting very well. Then look at their conversion rate over here. Anything which is above 12% is considered very well. Even 10% is fair enough. So you have to choose offers which are converting above 10 to 12%. Next, check their visitor value, and it must be more than $1. So again, you have to look at these parameters. Number one, check the 1 to 5% vendors. Only promote these legit sellers who are promoting or launching good offers all the time. Then the sales should be at least 500 plus, and the conversion rate should be 12%. Let's say the sales are just a 50 plus or 100, but the conversion is 20%. Then that is still good. This just means that a new product which is just launched maybe a few hours back. Anything above 12% conversion rate is good. The higher, the better. Another thing you should be checking is the visitor value, which should be $1 plus. You'll notice all the offers at the top of the list have fulfilled these criteria. So once you've checked the above, the next step is to click the Request button for these offers. Once you do that, it will take you to a particular page, and then you have to click on the Request Approval button. You can also click View Sales Page and have a look at their preview. If you are a complete newbie and don't have credentials, there's one thing you can do. Click the vendor's name and you can already see his profile. When you go to the bottom of the page, you can see Connected Accounts. Let's click on Facebook, and here is the complete ninja trick you can do as a newbie. When you are already on his Facebook account, message him saying that you're a new person in affiliate marketing, but you're building your list. You can also say, I have targeted traffic and aware of the importance of staying away from junk sources. So please allow me to promote your products. You can mention the name of your marketing mentor if it matters. Tell them you'll send them good traffic from the traffic sources which you can mention. You can also tell them you don't mind being set to delayed commission if you're okay with the terms. And if you want to go the extra mile, you could prepare your bonus page or review video in advance. This way you're not only reaching out to the vendor and building rapport, you're also showing you've done your homework. So most of the time, they approve newbies like you. But if you don't do this and the vendor just sees your newbie account with 0 sales, they will not accept you 99% of the time. So follow these steps and you'll be able to select the highest converting offers inside Warrior Plus. And you'll also be able to get approved, ready to go and promote. In the next video, I'll show you another marketplace, aka Secret Affiliate Cash Vault number 2, where you can make money on a daily basis and how to select offers inside that marketplace. In the last video, we've discussed the long cut method of finding high-quality solo ad vendors. That is the long method, but very effective. Now we will discuss the shortcut method. This is great for people who don't have much or enough time. Let's start. Right now, I'm inside Facebook. On the search box, I will type solo, and Facebook shows me some of those groups which I'm a member of. Let's go to Solo Ads Sales Testimonials. When you go to this type of group, they will ask you to join first before you can see the content and members of the group. This group is where people buy solo ads, and this is where they do some email marketing stuff. And so they get high-converting solo ad traffic. In this group, there are already 10,000 plus members, and this group is really active. So how would you know where or to whom you should buy a solo ad from? You can see a lot of posts here from different people with great testimonials about their solo ads. But you have to make sure these people are the right ones for you. How do you do that? First, you can get a seller's name from one testimonial and copy it in the group's search box. Once you do this, all the testimonials for this person will appear. This way you can check if this seller is great or not based on testimonials from his previous customers. Next thing is, check if the seller is getting some sales or not. Then check his opt-in too. If he's getting 30% and above, then that is a good result. The next step is to contact the person that you have chosen. If you have a common friend on Facebook that can connect you with each other, then you can also mention that when introducing yourself. This step is to build a good relationship with each other. Again, there's nothing to lose if you ask for some discount. One more thing, you should also check if the person has a website or not. This can also show you if he's been doing this for quite some time. Let me take you to another group this time. We call this Solo Ads Testimonial Group with 24,000 plus members. This is also a very popular and active group as well. The members here are also building their business, and you can find tons of great people here. One more page down is David Deckel's Express Solo Ad Group under 24-hour delivery sellers. If you buy from this group, they're going to make sure that you get your traffic delivered within 24 hours, which is absolutely amazing. There you have it. Once you dig inside these groups and search for the correct people for you, you'll be getting plenty of targeted traffic coming to your affiliate offers. This is not only to make sales, but to build a list as well. This is super easy, so you can start making money today. It is so simple to follow, but most marketers don't know this. In this video, I will share with you my secret affiliate, Cash Vault number 1. I want to show you how I select offers for my secret vault, which makes me money every time. First, if you don't have a high converting offer, you can never make money with affiliate offers. So let's get started and I'll show you how the selection process is done. First, type in www.warriorplus.com in your browser. It's a simple website. If you haven't created your free account yet, please do so because this is where we are going to do our business. Once you're already inside Warrior Plus, you have to click on the Marketplace button. This is where you can see the offers which are launched on a daily basis. Now over here, let's click on Top Sellers. This is the place where Warrior Plus publishes their top sellers and the product they are offering. You can see their top sellers daily, yesterday, last 7 days, and 30 days ago. So you are sure that all the offers here are the highest converting products inside Warrior Plus. These offers are loved by customers. They are very high demand, and that's why these offers are seen on the page. Which also means that we can be sure before sending any kind of traffic that these particular offers are going to convert for us. I'll show you an example by clicking on the number 1 product today. Let's take a look at the offer, how the sales page looks like, and all the information about the product you can find. At this point, your task is to do background check on which products you and your possible subscribers are most interested in. In the next video, I'll be showing you one more technique of selecting high converting offers inside Warrior Plus. And then I'll teach you a technique on how to get approved by the product creator as the affiliate in Warrior Plus.
Wait, how would you like to fast-track your success with affiliate marketing through this video upgrade? Thanks for your purchase of our affiliate marketing ebook. We are sure you're going to save time and put a ton of money in your pocket via affiliate marketing with this training. Although the ebook is easy to follow and incredibly in-depth, there's only so much you could get from reading. So to help you get results a lot faster, we prepared a special offer that's only available to existing customers. Many people learn faster by watching something done rather than reading about it. In fact, a majority of the population learns better and retains information much faster from a video than by reading the text version of something. Introducing the video upgrade to your affiliate marketing course. If you're looking for a simple, idiot-proof way to learn more about affiliate marketing and get quicker results, then this is for you. Just like in the ebook, you get great content and more. But this time, we've recorded everything in high-quality, over-the-shoulder videos to make getting started on your part even easier. Remember when I said that affiliate marketing is easy if you do things correctly, and that the details are where most people get stuck? These are the primary reasons why getting this video upgrade is a smart choice. You need to really understand and comprehend every single detail, and there's no better way of getting the information you need than with instructional videos. To make absolutely sure you don't miss any of the key, crucial, and important details, with this upgraded video course, you get information about how to quickly add subscribers from your target market within 90 days or less, the little-known trick to getting free converting traffic, how to use reviews to generate $100, $200, or more per day with just a few minutes of work, where to find the best solo ad vendors to help grow your list, proven strategies to increase the conversions of your affiliate offers, and more. Remember, missing just one step of proper affiliate marketing can result in money thrown down the drain, something you most certainly want to avoid. After all, you made the wise decision to invest in this affiliate marketing training because you want to make money, right? Okay, this sounds great. How much? Because of the video format of the training, it's like having an expert affiliate marketer sit down with you in your home or office and show you everything over the shoulder. Of course, you would pay hundreds or even thousands of dollars for that type of training, but not today. For a very limited time, you can access the video training for the low discounted price shown on this page. As usual, you're covered by our ironclad money-back guarantee. If you don't like what you see, simply contact us and we'll give you a refund. Like I've said, we've done our part. We've made this as affordable and as step-by-step as possible for you. Remember, you're getting secrets already proven to have made money for other affiliates. Now it's your turn. Click on the buy button on this page and start today.
In this module, we're going to talk about the online traffic. Traffic is the bloodline of all online business. If you don't have any idea what traffic is, don't worry, because it's very simple. Whenever someone visits your website, offer page, or your sales page, that's traffic. You may have the best of the best offers, but if you don't have the right targeted traffic, then you cannot make any money. But once you have the right offer with a high targeted traffic, then you can produce profit. To make money online, you need a targeted traffic, and that's why it's very important. Let me take you to my #1 secret untapped traffic source to help you start making affiliate commissions quickly. This exact traffic has helped me build my email list from 0 to 5,000 plus, in addition to daily cash commissions. Let's go to my email over here first, and you can see that commissions are pouring in while I'm recording the videos. On the other hand, here's my Auber account, which has 5,000 plus subscribers. And here are my daily commissions with different promotions. I'm just showing this so you can imagine how your pages should look in the future. And I want to deliver the most important information to you. I just want to emphasize, too, how important it is to drive targeted traffic to your offers. Moving on, my first secret traffic source, which I'm going to discuss with you, is known as solo ads. Solo advertisement is the method of sending an email about your offer, which you are promoting to another marketer's list. Right now, if you do not have a list or your list is still small, what you can do is contact marketers with huge lists. Tell them that you'll send an offer to their email list and pay some amount of money. Like I said, you send them to a squeeze page first. That moves towards the offer. This is how you leverage other people's list to get you leads and sales. To make it clear for you, I'll show you an example. For example, you have XYZ offer and you want to make more money. How do you do that? First is to create a squeeze page. Then contact people with an email list of, say, 70,000, 30,000, etc. One way of finding people in the solo ads business is through Facebook. Just search for solo ads groups and start there. Interact with people first and ask around. If you do this right, then you're now building your list for free. This is because you earn enough affiliate commissions to pay for the solo ads, or even more. I believe this thing is clear and it is just the beginning. There are still some tricks which you should do once you are contacting solo ad vendors. There are questions that you should ask them so they would understand if you're a pro marketer or a newbie. All this good stuff is going to come to you in the next video module. In this module, we're going to talk about how you structure a perfect affiliate promotion campaign. I'm going to show you some of my personal tricks and techniques along with examples. So the first method I use is product reviews. Before you promote your product, you can make a short video. The video shows the different aspects, why the product is important, background, upsells, creator of the product, etc. This basically helps to create transparency to your prospects' minds. They're going to feel that you're serious about grabbing a good product. You are taking that extra care for them because the same product can be promoted by 10 or more different people. Why are you different from the rest? You have to position yourself as a unique affiliate marketer. And you can do this by making sure you make your prospects feel special. Doing personal product reviews is one way in which your prospects feel special. And with this, you can bag extra sales in every promotion. You can actually go to YouTube to check for product reviews. There are tons of them there, so you can study and model some. Having a product review video helps you in 2 ways. Number 1, having an honest video review helps in pre-selling the offer by showing its strengths and natural shortcomings. This transparent approach helps build trust in your prospects' minds. Number 2, you get free traffic from these video reviews, which help you to gain more sales in your promotions. The second affiliate promotion method I do is interview. You can interview the product creator through a Skype call or Google Hangout. You ask them questions about the product's importance, the benefits for your list. the rave around the affiliate community, and all other important matters. Again, this is a very transparent approach that your list will surely like. Additionally, this is something that helps you bag more sales. The third approach, which I use, is the early bird. Almost all launches have an early bird discounted price. For example, the product's regular price is $7, but because of an early bird discount pricing for the first 2 to 3 hours of the launch, they give the product for only $5.95. People love early birds because they know they can get products at discounted prices. Another thing is called a bonus page. You can have several bonuses delivered to your subscribers. If you have more bonuses than other affiliates, then you're drawing more buyers to you. You can also ask the product creator about some customized bonuses. Sometimes they build a customized page for you with your name and your branding there. I've given you some examples inside the PDF. Linking your bonus delivery page can be automatically set on JVZoo and Warrior Plus. Just go back to the section where you got your affiliate link, and there you'll find an area where you just insert the link to your bonus delivery page. This means your bonuses are delivered automatically to buyers. No stress on your side, and more sales for you. Another way to get more sales is through discounted coupons. Everyone loves discounts, right? So do marketers. Discount coupons always help grab a few more sales. So this is especially used during the end of the launch, the last 12 to 24 hours, for example. You have to ask the product creator to create a special discount coupon for you. Simply tell the product creator as to why they should give you extra coupons. The bottom line here is you're trying to get them more sales, and the more sales you get them means more commissions for you. Once you've used all these techniques, I guarantee that you're going to dominate the affiliate marketing world. These techniques work, and all you have to do is simply apply them all. I hope that the videos open up a whole new dimension to your online marketing world. See you in the next video.